Ghosts, UFOs, and cryptids can be scary for different reasons. Ghosts lurk in unexpected places and remind us of our mortality. UFOs make us wonder if little green men are about to invade Earth. And the majority of cryptids are said to be beastly and primal in nature. But with all three of these things, we have some idea of what we might be dealing with and what might protect us. What happens when you can only hear the sound of something? And you have no idea what is causing it. That's when your fear turns into absolute terror. September 19th, 2019, in San Antonio, Texas. A young man named Dylan Dickerson was taking out the trash when he heard this horrifying sound. It continued on and off for several minutes, until finally stopping altogether.
My name is Dylan Dickerson, and I am the one who filmed the video. I was thinking it was like underground or like solar flares, stuff going on in outer space that was bouncing on the Earth's atmosphere. Just like some extraterrestrial stuff.
This phenomena is incredibly unsettling to me. It strikes at my core.
The sound we're hearing is terrifying. It's extremely loud, there's a ton of bass, there's no origin to these things. It almost takes you to biblical references of the apocalypse. Trumpets would be sounded to signal the beginning of those end times.
This sounds like something has opened up a portal to hell or something, because it feels like it's the end of the world.
And this isn't the only example of this kind of noise. Across the globe, people have reported hearing loud, booming, trumpet-like noises. Noises that appear out of nowhere and continue uninterrupted for minutes or even hours at a time. Like this one from January 21st, 2012 in Banff, Alberta, Canada. And this one from March 9th, 2011 in Tallahassee, Florida.
Yes, ma'am. Has there been any reports of any tornadoes out toward the airport? Because it's really, really loud out here.
And from those who experience it live,
Sorry, I'm shaking.
to those who watch online, it's freaking everyone out.
When you hear sounds in the sky, it's usually an indicator that something bad is about to happen. It's a warning.
But if so, what exactly are they warning us about?
A lot of people assume that they may be something involved with earthquakes or the U.S. government, and other people think maybe aliens are at fault.
A very popular theory that explains what they are is that it is the sound of an invisible UFO that is hovering nearby.
I don't think it's, alien invasions, because you don't see aliens. But, it's something definitely happening.
Every door, every window you go there's the sound, and it's loud and intrusive. So I can completely understand why people are so put off and so terrified by these things. There's simply no explanation, and a lot of times no one ever gets an explanation.
We are conditioned to react fearfully to loud noises. The emergency broadcast system, sirens, alarms, things that are loud and jarring put us on alert. It gives us that fight or flight response, like, okay, something's happening. What am I going to do about it?